Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to English Inbox. I am is an abbreviation for the word I am. It is used in combination with other words to tell someone about yourself or to describe something you are doing. For example, here are some examples. I am so tired. I am confused. I am happy. I am 23 years old. I am hungry. I am nervous. I am excited. I am leaving work. I am thirsty. I am from Seattle. You can also add descriptive word with I am such as. For example, I am extremely tired. I am very happy. I am terribly hungry. I am super excited. I am very nervous. Thank you so much for watching the video. প্রতিদিন নিয়মিত ইংরেজি শিখতে অবশ্যই ইংলিশ ইনবক্স ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে সাথে থাকবেন।